Pronunciation Pro.
Pronunciation Pro.
Let me just kind of go into another paragraph here. And that was a medial TH. So let's just do this paragraph right here. I want to make sure that we're getting that TH, voiceless TH medial.
Okay. Martha likes to run marathons. She is an athlete and an author. Her books
Okay, so I'm going to stop you right here. We're going to go back up here and work on this a little bit. So we need to loosen up that TH sound. So what I'm hearing is athlete, kind of pinching down on that tongue. So the tongue's, coming out, but there's too strong of a kind of a connection there between your teeth and your tongue. So what we want, and let me kind of go up to the voicelets at the beginning. So do this for me. Let's do think. Thaw.
Thaw.
So we're just loosening it up and we're trying to create an airflow through that TH sound. Thick.
Athlete. Thick.
Good. Thief.
Thief.
Thigh.
Thigh.
Okay, keep going.
Tin.
Okay, so loosen it up. Instead of tin, so it's kind of bursting, the sound's bursting. I want it to be an airflow. Thin. There you go. Do it again.
Thin.
Do the next word.
Think.
Next.
Think.
Good.
Third. Three.
Good. Do those words again one more time.
Think. Saw. Thick. Thief. Thigh.
A little bit looser.
Thin.
Thigh.
Thigh. Thin. Think. Third. Three.
Okay, much better. So can you feel the difference of just a little bit looser so that you can get the airflow?
Yes.
Okay, so that's what I want you to focus on is when you go back and practice the TH sound, especially that voiceless, because the voiced can, that's a little bit easier, but the voiceless, we have to get that airflow otherwise it just sounds like a T or a D. But with that airflow, then we're getting the good, strong, good TH sound. All right. So I want you to go back through those TH sounds, loosen that up, get that airflow. If you have to hold that sound a little bit to get it, thin, think, that will loosen it up and just kind of help you get that sound. Okay.
Yeah. Okay.
All right. Good job. Your voice is important and needs to be heard. If you're ready to speak English clearly and with greater confidence, I invite you to start your free 7-day trial at pronunciationpro.com.